Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a clothing haul, and this one is from Opoly. This is brought to you by my own Coint. I am on a mission to elevate my my clothing and my style, and to just make my style look a little more I don't know, elevated, luxurious, expensive. I just don't want to look like everyone else anymore. I really want my style to have its own personality, and for the things that I wear to look very unique to me and to my brand, and to, you know, speak volumes before I even have to say anything. So I feel like my hair already does that. It's very personable, but I feel like my clothing could be a little bit more so, and just be more unique. I just don't want to wear the bodycon dresses anymore. I don't want to wear the, you know, bandage dresses. I don't want to wear you know, the two-piece sets from Fashion Nova. You know, I just want to look different, and I want to look fashionable and stylish and chic and luxurious. So that's what we're going for. So I decided to grab a couple pieces from Opoly. This is actually two different Opoly hauls for me, but I'm just putting them all together in this video because I've gotten a bunch of questions about these pieces, and I never put them all together in one video. But this is two different shopping experiences for these pieces. So anyway, all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the haul. Before we do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell, because I have so much more amazing content coming for you guys. I'm planning on redoing my studio space. I'm planning on showing you guys more of my clothing purchases, shoes. Like, I really want to show you guys how I'm elevating my wardrobe as well as my accessories. And I'm looking over there because that's where all my bags and things are. So I've just been really focused on elevating my entire look, and so make sure you subscribe so that you never miss anything that I have coming for you guys, and you can kind of see this journey from the beginning, because this really is the beginning, but I'm planning on going further and further up from here. The first piece I want to show you guys is this piece right here. This is a really beautiful corseted top. It is a cotton material, and I wasn't sure what the material was when I saw it on the website. I wasn't sure if it was like chiffon or what it was, but this is actually a cotton material. It's corseted, and it even has bra cups on the inside. It has a strap that goes around the neck that is adjustable, and that I couldn't see on the site either, but it has an adjustable strap that goes around the neck, and this strap is actually removable, so you can take the strap off if you don't want to wear the strap. The arm piece is adjustable as well. You can wear it off the shoulder, or you can wear it on your shoulder. And these right here are actually adjustable as well. These ties can be tied tighter and cinched in, or they can be left loose. So I really like this top. This top is definitely long enough on my arms. I find that things are rarely ever long enough on my arms or my legs. I'm 5'7.5", but I have really long legs, and I wear a size medium everywhere, and in Opoly I wear a size 8. I paired that piece with this beautiful skirt. It's like a peach coral shade. It has a zipper in the back, just so that you can, you know, walk a little more easily, or if you want it to be tight, you can zip it all the way down. This skirt has no shape, but when you put it on, it forms to your shape. I will say that the top of this skirt is a little tight. I did get it in a size 8. This one you might want to size up, but then again, it looks really good fitted, I feel like. I love this skirt so much. The first time that I did my first Opoly haul, I got it in the burgundy shade. and I'll insert pictures so that you can video so you can see it in the burgundy shade, but I loved it so much I went back and got it in this pink shade. So I absolutely love this one, but again, I would say if you're unsure about what size to get, I would say size up, because this area right here is pretty tight. The next piece I got was these pants. These pants have a clasp in the front and a zipper. I got these in a size 8 tall because I knew I wanted to wear them with heels, and I just knew that I would need the extra length. They still weren't long enough to my liking. I know how to sew, so I decided to take the hem out. I'm going to you know, just stitch the bottom of it myself, or you could easily just take it to the tailor and then just press it down so that this line will go away, and just give myself like another 1/2 inch, which should be fine. These pants fit so tight. I wish I had gotten a bigger size. They don't fit tight anywhere but on the waist. The waist is where they fit so extremely tight. I wish I had gotten a size 10, but I do like how they fit through the leg and through the butt. Like, they just looked really, really good. So I decided to keep them. I did want to go back and potentially get them in another color, but the only other color they had was like a light blue, and I just know I'm not gonna get my wear out of a light blue pant going into the fall. It just didn't seem smart. So if I do go back and get them, I'll go back and get them in a size 10 in a tall, and I probably won't get that blue shade until like the spring. The next piece that I got is the blazer dress. This blazer dress is absolutely stunning. I wasn't sure about it, you guys, on the site. Even the fit on the model, I wasn't convinced. I was just like, what is happening with this? But it looks like it's an interesting piece, so I went ahead and got it. I think this was the highest cost item that I got on this Opali haul. I did get this one in a size 8. Yep, I got this one in a size 8. It does have a clasp in the front to keep the front closed. And it is absolutely beautiful quality. It's just so nicely tailored. It's so beautifully tailored. It looks like it was made literally for me. In the video, you'll see that I was missing a button. I didn't button the middle button, so when I'm moving, you can see like that the skirt part is open, but that's just because I didn't button the last button. So just make sure you button all your buttons, but it just tailored to my body and fit my shape so nicely. I thought it was going to be too short, but it actually wasn't like offensive. I thought it was going to be offensively short, but it wasn't. It actually had a decent length. Love this piece so much. I know I'm going to get my wear out of this, and this is all seasons. I feel like I can wear this in the fall. I can wear this in the winter and in the springtime. It's not too heavy, but also not paper thin. It has a nice weight to it, and you can tell the quality of the fabric is definitely there. The next piece I got is this top. This top is absolutely gorgeous. I got this top in a size 8. Again, statement sleeves are not always my thing, but as I said, I'm working on elevating my style and you know, just switching it up. Not everything has to be tight. Like, sometimes when things are looser and flowing, it actually gives a much more classy and chic vibe, and just a more elevated look. So that's what I'm definitely going for these days. Not to say that nothing tight isn't chic, right? Like, you can still wear things that are fitted and be very like model-esque, and I love that look as well. But just the older I get, I want to incorporate more pieces with different shapes that sort of just bring more of a variety to my collection of clothing, as opposed to always just being like tight and sexy. There's a way to be sexy and also you know, a fit to flare sort of look. Like, you can wear something that flares and still be very, very sexy. So That's what I'm trying to do these days. Loved this piece so much. When I first got it, in my first Opoly haul, I got it in the beige or cream color. I went back and got it in this rust terracotta shade. I feel like this is perfect for going into the fall season. I'll be able to get a lot of wear out of this one, and even the beige one as well. And I'm just so happy that I got this in this shade along with the cream shade. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this top. I definitely got it in both colors because I loved it so much. The next piece I got, I'm not sure how much wear I'm gonna get out of it, but the reality is I was on the site and it was up there for like $14 and I just couldn't not get it, right? Like, I'm not sure where I'm wearing this to, maybe to like a lounge or something, with something a little like oversized on top, or like a loose blouse that's belted. Since it's short and fitted, I wouldn't pair it with something that's cropped and fitted as well. I definitely pair it with something that's like a little oversized, that's belted with like, or maybe even just a belt bag or something, to just give it a different shape. But the skirt is very well made, really pretty, a beautiful olive color that I love, and it's got the tie detail on the side, and it was $13. Like, you can't say no. And the last piece that I have to show you all, but not the last piece that I got from Opoly, because I did get a couple pieces from Opoly that I did end up having to return because they didn't really work out for me, or I got it for, I ordered a bunch of dresses in my first haul for my birthday, and the packages came late and I was already in Miami, and by the time I got back there was no need for all those birthday dresses because my birthday was over. So I will still insert video clips of them so you can check them out, and I'll just voice over those parts. But this is the last piece that I have to physically show you guys. This dress I did get as a birthday dress, but like I said, it came late, so I didn't have the opportunity to wear it for my birthday. But I will definitely find an opportunity to wear this dress because this dress is phenomenal. So beautifully made. Absolutely love it. It does have the elastic in the back, so you can cinch it to where you need it to be. This is elastic cord, so it can be cinched all the way from on your shoulders all the way to the lower area of your back. It does have a hidden zipper in here, so you can zip it up. And when I tell you, when you zip this baby, be ready, because this puppy is going to suck everything in, which I love that. But it's definitely like, Opoly, I would say, is not a brand that's at all concerned about your comfort wearing their clothing. Like, that is the least of their worries. They want to make sure you look snatched to the high heavens, and that's exactly how you're gonna look rocking Opoly, and you're not gonna be able to breathe, which is fine. I mean, breathing is not essential. Looking fabulous is. So we'll take, you know, suffocation for that. But yeah, this dress will have you looking amazing. I love that Opoly has cups in their dresses, and a lot of their tops, they give you that really good support to give you that look that you're going for, where your bust is like sitting up and looking really great, and that everything is so cinched around the waist. It just really snatches you. And I love when my clothing like really like conforms to my body, as opposed to just like hanging there. And that's the difference, right? When you are purchasing things that are a little more elevated, then they have a little more structure and can kind of support your body in a different way. This also has a slit on the leg. It has a slit on the leg, fully lined. Even the lining is gorgeous. Like, come on. And the fabric is fantastic. It's beaded and sequined and mesh. So yeah, loved this piece. So that's pretty much the Opoly haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have questions, everything will be in the description box down below. Sorry guys, yeah, a siren started going by, but thank you guys so much for watching this haul. This is the first of many. I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot of different clothing hauls that I'm gonna be doing just to elevate my wardrobe and just get things together. I've gotten a bunch of shoes, I've gotten a few luxury bags. I'm definitely gonna show you guys my first luxury bag purchase, what I think of the bag, where the bag came from. I have a couple other bags that I've gotten from other places, so I just want to like share my journey with you guys of this black girl luxury. I'm definitely like taking this movement to heart because, you know, we deserve it. Us as black women, we deserve luxury. We don't have to be out here struggling and suffering and denying ourselves from things because we feel like, you know, it's wrong for us to have it. Like sometimes I feel like we believe that it's just naturally wrong for us to have beautiful luxury things, you know, because it's just been so ingrained in us to just sacrifice, always sacrifice, sacrifice, sacrifice. But it's okay to treat yourself to luxury. It's okay to elevate, and you know, it's a blessing. So here we are, and this is what we're definitely going to be doing over here on the channel. So if you want to join me on this journey, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on all your post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Definitely check out my stories on here. Follow me on Instagram. Everything is at Jess Monique Thomas on Instagram, Facebook, here, everywhere. TikTok, I'm gonna start doing a lot more on TikTok, so make sure you're following there as well. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a clothing lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.